Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our lesson today. But before coming into our lesson, let's me ask you a few questions. So, what do you do in these cases? So first, what will you do when it rains? Here, as you can see here, rains dripping from the sky. What will you do when it rains, Emma? Thank you. If it rains, I will stay at home. Very good. How about you, Simon? What will you do if there is an upcoming exam? What will you do? Yes, thank you. I'll please say it in the full sentence. If there is an upcoming exam, I will study. Right? Very good. And then, in the last case, what will you do if you are stuck in a traffic jam? Amy? Very good. Thank you. Yes. So, as you can see, here is just some prediction. There is a possibility in the future that these things will happen, but we are not sure, right? It's just a possibilities in the future. That's why we're using will, right, everyone? We only use will in what tense, right? Future tenses, right? So today I will introduce you the first conditional sentence, if, and you will learn how to use it to talk about possibilities, what will likely happen in the future. Okay, everyone, let's start our lesson for today. Let's go. First conditional sentences. Everyone repeat it with me. First conditional. First. Very good. Thank you, everyone. So first, when we learn about some new grammar point, we need to learn its structure first. We need to understand the structure. It is the base. It's the fundamental, right? So when you want to build a skyscraper, you need to have the underground, the base, very durable and strong, right? That's also apply when we learn grammar. We need to understand its structure if we want to use it correctly. So, can the first person read the first sentence for me, please? Check. Thank you. So, if it rains, we'll stay inside, right? So, just the same as Emma's previous answer, she will stay at home. Yes, so we will stay inside. Okay, and the next second, please, Amy. Thank you. So if there is a traffic jam, I'll be late, right? I'll be late. Is it right, everyone? When you're stuck in a traffic jam, you cannot move anywhere, you cannot move forward or backward, you're just stuck there. So therefore, eventually will be late for something. Maybe late for school, late for your party, something like that, right? So please remember, everyone, please come up early to avoid the traffic jam. Okay, back to our lesson. So the last person to read the sentence for me will be Sean. Thank you very much. It is, if I have an upcoming exam, I will study for it. Right? Of course, everyone, please remember, if there is a real exam coming up, please study for it. Right? So, can you see the pattern here, everyone? Yes, in the conditional sentences, what is the significant word that we can immediately recognize that it is a conditional sentence? What word? fundamental word, the word. You guys, please say it out loud. Correctly, very good. It is if, right? Here I bold here. If. There's no if in a sentence. This is not a conditional sentence. Maybe in some special form we will learn later, but in your level, please remember there is an if in your conditional sentences. Okay? And then, so here it is comma. What is the function of a comma? In between, in the middle of a sentence. Simon? Thank you. To split into two clauses, right? So the first clauses, can you see another pattern? Like the tenses, what tenses? What tense is there in the sentences, in these sentences? Very good, everyone. It is the present simple, right? In present simple, when it has a singular subject, the verb will turn into like having an ending s, right? It rains, right? To be in simple present would be there is, right? Be turned into is, and I have, right, everyone? Very good. How about the second clause? What you can see the pattern. I already voted for you too, so it is the word will. Very good. So will is the future. When something in the future, are we sure that will happen? Are we sure about it? 100%? No, right? Yes. So therefore, structure for like the purpose of the first conditional is used for possibilities, everyone. Please keep that in your mind. Just for possibility, something is likely happen in the future, then we will first condition. Here, that is the structure of it. But you guys have already guessed it or guessed it. Very good. You did such an excellent job. So here, everyone, it is if plus present simple, right? Present simple, and we have the comma in between, making it two clause, the if clause and the predicted clause. Something will verb, base verb, or verb bear, right? Verb bear. Do we do anything to the verb bear? Do we change it into anything else? No, right, everyone? Please remember, will is a modal verb. So after a modal verb, we just have verb bear. You don't need to turn it into anything else. So I have an example. I need two people to read these two sentences for me, please. Emma, thank you very much. If it rains, we'll stay inside. And Amy, thank you. Will stay inside if it rains. So remember, there's two forms of conditional sentences. If you put if in the beginning of a sentence, please use a comma to split it into two clauses. A comma in two clauses. And if you don't use if in the beginning, just write a normal sentence. Right, everyone? Will stay inside if it rains. Right? Now, let's come to the next exercise.